Let's talk about the Lyft is now wanting riders to upload IDs. But the question is it really about safety? Or is it just because they want to verify their debit cards? So
I don't know. I saw this. I tweeted it. It got so much traction. In fact, I said, Lyft, my hat is off to you. You beat Uber to it, because Uber's still dicking around with it, although they announced it a few months ago. And we still have the fake names and all that stuff, right? So as a driver, this is what I'm seeing now. I need to upload the back and the front of my driver's license and take a selfie as verification. Good, safe, no problem. I'm happy to do it. However, the one on the right, Chris, was new. It says, before your ride, we need one more thing. Please provide a photo of your driver's license or state ID to verify your account. This is to the passenger people.
Yep.
Now, I saw it. I tweeted it. I got my hats off to you, to the Lyft team and Mr. Risher. In fact, he came back. We follow each other. He came back and said, I said, you guys must be listening to Show Me the Money, because when he was on 4 months ago, FYI, he's going to come back on in April, towards the end of April sometime, to Show Me the Money. I have confirmed that. But that wasn't the point. This was one of the contentions that we had. I go hey, why can't the rider upload an ID, right? Now, the detail that I don't know on this is this to verify all existing passengers are going to go through this, which will be absolutely fantastic. And Mr. Vischer said on his tweet back, I said, are you guys listening to Show Me the Money and our community? He said, we are listening and more to come. All right, cool. Now, is this for all existing passengers?
I gotta stop you real quick. The more to come stuff, bro. I've heard that
more to come,
every single freaking tweet, and I see. I don't see the more to come. The bill has come due. Bill due has to do. Let's see some changes, some real actual changes, not more to come.
Yeah,
we had you on in September. We gave you until March. Guess what? It is now March. It's the end of March. This is the last Tuesday before April. Next week is April 2nd. So the bill is due. Not more to come. Changes. That's what I want to see. I'm sorry. That's my little rant.
Okay, I get you, but this is a good thing, unless this is only happening if this is happening for new riders onboarding to everyone, good. The best would be all new riders go through this process, all existing, because I have a Lyft app. I was in San Francisco a couple of weeks ago, or Oakland. I took Ubers, but I priced it on Lyft. It didn't ask me to upload anything on my app as a rider. So I'm kind of thinking now, maybe it's only for the newbies, new people onboarding the platform. Or is it what Uber has been doing for 6-8 months already, which is if you're uploading some sort of debit card or a gift card or some Walmart, you go pay cash and buy a gift card and open a Lyft account with it to do some criminal activity or whatever the heck it is that you're going to do. Is it just for that? So Lyft, again, clarification, please. This is a cool thing. The best would be, Mr. Risher, by the time you're coming on, you tell our audience that every passenger, existing passenger, new passenger, has to go through this verification. My hat's off to you.
And you know what? Let's give them something for verifying. Let's give them a little check mark, a little verification badge check mark right next to their name. It says they've been verified.
Yeah, I like it. So okay, we need answers, but hopefully, it is for everybody and all newbies, riders coming on the platform. I think it's a great first step towards safety of drivers. I think it is. So see, we called the shit a minute ago Lyft, and now we call it good. We call it the way we see it. Edge, yeah. I hope this is not an edge case with the ID.
Here's the thing. What we were talking about was not an edge case, but what we just were talking about with the verification upload,
Please, come on,
that's
bro.
the edge case because
Don't
it's
join,
only
don't join the
this.
CDU, bro. Come on, don't join the CDU. Come on.
Well, either way, I think it's good to see. I hope to see more. I'm gonna have to actually open up my Rider app and see if I can price
No.
out a ride, see if anything
Oh, right,
happens
all
or
right.
not.
And if it asks you ID, no, it's not going to ask you for an ID, which
I don't
is,
think it will, but we'll see. I mean, the account's tied, so driver and passenger account are tied. So I don't think it's going to be.
Yeah,
Technically, I would already be verified. So
yeah,
we'll
yeah.
see from there. I
All
think
right.
most drivers would already be verified. So.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.